Sometimes with our FMRI data, we'll want to manipulate slices and possibly put slices in different orderings, or possibly just analyze one slice at a time in order to save memory. To do this, we have a tool called 3dZcutup and 3dZcat. What 3dZcutup does is it selects a certain range or interleaves of slices, and it only extracts those and puts that into a data set. And 3dZcat will then take different data sets and compile those slices on top of each other or interleave them, however you want. To do this, let's say we have one data set right here called brain plus a rig. If we type in 3D info on this data set, we see that it has 35 voxels in the inferior to superior extent, or the Z direction. So what we can do is we can use 3dZcutup and the prefix, let's say the bottom half, roughly. And we use this option keep to specify which slices we want, starting from slice 0. In this case, let's say slice 0 to slice 16. And then you provide the input or the data set that's going to be cut up. Alright, we can do the same thing for the top half here. So prefix top half, and for this I'm going to keep slices 17 to 34. Remember, there are 35 slices, but it goes from 0 to 34. It's inclusive of 0. And again, specify this same data set. Alright, if I look at these in AFNI, you can see that the one loaded right here is the bottom half, so the first 17 slices. And if I look at the top half, that is the other 16 or so slices, or 17, or 18. I'm pretty bad at math. I probably shouldn't do it on the fly. But we have two data sets now. One is the bottom half and one is the top half. So to move these around, we can use 3dZcat. And for this one, I'm going to call this the right direction, because we're going to be specifying the bottom half first and then the top half. All right. We can also do something pretty wonky and call this the wrong direction, where we specify the top half first and then the bottom half. And I'll show you what these look like in the AFNI viewer. So right direction will look the exact same as our original data set. We splice together the bottom half and the top half, and it looks fine. However, if we load the wrong direction data set, we've specified the top half first and then the bottom half, so it looks kind of crazy. But it's a useful AFNI tool to have, and in particular it can be used for 3D deconvolve. If you have a very high resolution data set and it's going to take a lot of memory to analyze each slice, what you can do is use 3dZcutup, analyze that slice, and then analyze the other slice, do it as a for loop, or however many slices you want to just chunk it in manageable amounts. And we don't have enough time to go through that in this screencast, but more directions can be found in the link down below. Hope this helps, and I'll see you guys next time.